Hey, it's Elaf, and today I'm going to show you how to use Caspa AI to create some beautiful product photos and videos with jewelry pieces. We've updated the platform with a new model which allows you to use intricate product pieces, and I've intentionally selected some quite complex products so you could have a look for yourself how the AI maintains it before and after pretty well. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experience on the platform. And for now, we could get straight into it and I'll show you how it works. First, I'm going to show you how to generate these photos and video of this intricate necklace. Starting off on the background remover, select the product you want or upload one from scratch, and then I'm going to click the green Generate Product Photos button to send it to the AI Product Photos and Videos tab. Here I'm going to type in my prompt. In this case, place this necklace exactly as it is in shape, color, dimensions, texture, and design on a hyper-realistic Latina model in a photography studio with a beige background, and then click the green Generate button. It takes a few seconds to load, then a photo is created. If I click on it, it will become full screen. I really like how this first one turned out, and it's captured the detail really well, so I'm going to click the arrow to save the image. Next, I want to keep the same model and vibe, but change her pose. So if I click the green edit button at the bottom of the photo, then it will send it to the left, and I can write a prompt to change her pose. Here I'm going to write, woman looking down, zoom into her necklace, then generate. It turned out well, so I'm going to save it, and now I'm going to generate a product video with the same model. So I'll click the video toggle at the top, change the prompt to woman smiling, slow zoom into earring, professional studio video, and then generate. I'll watch the video first, and if I like how it turns out, then I'm going to save it. I like this one, so I'm going to click the arrow on the top right to save it to my computer. Next, I'm going to show you how to generate these photos and video of this beautiful rose gold diamond ring. Starting off on the background remover like before, select the ring or upload it from scratch. Then I'm going to send it to the AI Product Photos and Videos tab. Here I'm going to type in my prompt. In this case, I want the aesthetic of this photo is warm, elegant, and intimate, hyper-realistic mixed race model's hand wearing ring on ring finger. Keep the gemstone in the right position. Don't change the product at all, and then click the green Generate button. This first generation didn't work well, so I'm going to try out a trick that usually works. If I go to the background remover and send the photo to the studio editor, I'm going to reposition the ring to a different angle. For some reason, the AI seems to understand intricate rings like this better, so I'm going to send it back to the AI Product Photos and Videos tab. The prompt is still here, so now I'm just going to click the green Generate button. It takes a few seconds to load, then a photo is created. I really like how this first one turned out, and it's captured the detail really well, so I'm going to click the arrow to save the image. I want to see another photo with the same prompt, so I'm going to click the Generate button again. It turned out well, so I'm going to save it and generate a product video like before with the same model. So I'll click the video toggle at the top, edit the prompt. So now it says slow zoom into the ring, professional video, then generate. Click play to watch the video. It turned out really well, so I'm going to download it. Now I'm going to show you how to generate these photos and video of these earrings. I tried to keep it all consistent, so it could be one product listing. Starting off on the background remover tab like before, select the earrings or upload them from your device, and then I'm going to click the Generate Product Photos button again and send it to the AI Product Photos and Videos tab. Now type in my prompt, South Asian woman wearing these exact earrings, a side view showing the earring clearly, and then click the green Generate button. Click on the image to make it bigger. I think it turned out really well. You can see that there are some pearls and intricate details that are all maintained, which is great. I want to keep the same model, so click the edit button at the bottom of the photo, send it to the left image component, and then write a prompt to show it from a different angle. In this case, I'll write woman looking at the camera, zoom into the earring, and generate. I think this turned out well. You can see it listen to the second part of the prompt about zooming into the earrings. If I generate again, we can see what else we'll get with this prompt. After a few seconds, a similar photo is created, and I'm going to save this one too. Next, I'm going to generate a video, so click on the video mode and type in a new prompt. Here I'm going to write woman smiling, slow zoom into the earring, and then generate. Once ready, click play to watch. And I think this one turned out really well as well, so I'm going to save it. Finally, I'll show you how to create these photos and video of this ankle bracelet. Just like before, starting off on the background remover tab, upload the photo or select one, and then click the Generate Product Photos button. The image mode is on default, so I'm going to type in my prompt. In this case, on a woman's ankle, she's walking on a beach, close up, keep the bracelet exactly the same as the input, colors, design, texture, and fine details. Make the image hyper-realistic, and then generate. Have a look at the photo. I like how this one turns out, so I'm going to save it and generate another one for variety. You can see that the AI has replicated it pretty well, so it looks like the input photo. I like this next one that's been generated too, so I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to create a video by clicking on the video mode. Now type in the prompt, so woman walking along the beach showing the ankle bracelet clearly, and then generate. Click play to watch the video when it's generated. And once again, I like how this one looks, so I'm going to save it. So that's the tutorial. I hope you got an understanding of how to use the platform and play around with it with your own products. If you have any questions or specific products or niches, different niches that you want to test it out with, feel free to message me or have a go, and I'm excited to see what you create.